Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 19th of December, 2020. We're going to go over Bitcoin Cash real quick, give you all the price prediction now, considering that the price action on yesterday's trading in Bitcoin Cash, the market has substantiated that buyers are still here, trade within our buy zone that we talked about on December the 11th, 2023. You guys can see I was looking for the price to go lower at that time. Market did. Market on yesterday came through and bounced off of this buy zone, letting us know that the buyers are still there in the market. So let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here. 7.92% there, or maybe a little bit less, 7.5%. Let's go ahead and talk about whether or not those buyers are going to continue to hold price in Bitcoin Cash above $210. Because if so, then the market, if anything, is going to continue to trade within the trading range. We may just see the market in Bitcoin Cash trade like this before it either breaks out or breaks down. So let's see a little bit further in time. Let's go look at this on the 2-day chart into the market of Bitcoin Cash. You guys can see that the trend is actually being broken to the downside. So the market is relaxing on how bullish the market was ever since August the 17th, 2023. The market is definitely lessening on this trend line, considering that we have now traded well below that trend line. So what I'm going to do, without causing any confusion, we're going to get rid of it. Okay, we're going to get rid of the premise that Bitcoin Cash is now trending higher. It looked like it's trying to transition over into trade within a range. Take a look at this on the 3-day time frame. I don't want you all to forget about this day here, this 3-day price bar there, because it hasn't gone away. The only thing that I can tell you within those 3 days is that there's still demand here. Okay, so all is not lost if you're looking for price in Bitcoin Cash to go up. But I will tell you that it is becoming harder the longer that Bitcoin Cash trade below this area. You want to see it lift to like 250, 260 to give us more confirmation that the demand in Bitcoin Cash is definitely holding those sellers in the market right now. So we definitely want to see that come to fruition, because as of right now, we really don't see that, especially right here on this 3-day price bar. Here it is on the 5-day time frame in Bitcoin Cash as well. Let's look at this on the weekly chart. Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash on the 2 weeks. So we have 12 more days on this current 2-weekly price bar, but my contention and focus is right there. You guys can see that the volume came through the last 2 weeks as well. Market in Bitcoin Cash ran up to this sell zone, got rejected, and now we're trying to see these buyers hold. Now, given what we have here on the 2-weekly time frame, it may not hold. Those buyers down here around 215, 210 may not hold the market, and Bitcoin Cash will continue to go lower. Here it is on the 3 weeks. So we have 5 more days and 13 hours. If this 3-weekly price bar looks the way that it looks now, I have to look for price to continue to go lower. So let's give the market 5 more days. Here it is on the 5 weeks. Okay, so currently on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin Cash doesn't look too bullish right now. It doesn't. So the best that we can get if you're looking for price in Bitcoin to go up is for it to hold within a range. Let's look at this on the hourly chart, and then I'll go ahead and let you all go. Here it is on the 7-hour chart. You guys can see where the buyers are hitting the market right here and here. Okay, these two 7-hour price bars is telling us that the demand is still there in Bitcoin Cash. Okay, you see a little bit better on the 5-hour chart. Now, from an hourly perspective, this is where you want to see those buyers take out the sellers right there. So yeah, we can see the market in Bitcoin Cash lift and go up, but if those buyers cannot break this above 237, 238.50, it's just a momentarily move higher, because the overall trend is still looking for price in Bitcoin Cash to go lower. 330-minute chart. Okay, so yeah, I would say that Bitcoin Cash may initially go higher in the short term, i.e. hourly time frame, maybe a day, 2 days. But from a weekly perspective, I had to look forward to the market in Bitcoin Cash continuing to dip and to go lower. Okay, so let me do this here. I'm gonna look for the price in Bitcoin Cash to continue to go lower. Now, like I said, I'm not saying that the price in Bitcoin is going to crash or plunge, but the market, from my perspective, from what I'm seeing on the chart, it looked like it's a little bit more weaker than it is giving us strength right now. So let me go ahead and show you that we can still see the market in Bitcoin Cash hold 216. That will have to be my first target. It may even have to be a little bit higher, right here around 229. I'm sorry, $220. That will have to be my first target, because I can still see those buyers in the market trying to keep price from falling. So that is my first target right there. 3.61% there. Second target is around 216, 5.2%. And then my third target from a longer term perspective would be like 202, which gives us 11.32% move to the downside. So as long as we see the market in Bitcoin Cash trade like this, the market is gaining momentum. I suspect that it's going to do that. But if I see the market of Bitcoin Cash not hold and it looks like it's trending down, and then it trades within this buy zone and it still looks weak, then I'm going to look for the price to continue to go lower. This is the area that I'm looking for the market to give me confirmation that the buyers are still there. Okay, so let's just see. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.